Hey everybody, Amy from Roseberry Workshop. Getting ready to start on a new project today. By now you know that I like to use up what I have. I got these 3 panel pieces off of an old bar. They're not real wood. They have some really nice detail work on them, although I'm not a fan of the lattice. I'm probably going to cut that out. I also have a leftover door from the bathroom project when we swapped out our doors. So I figured, I'm gonna need something structurally supportive and I don't wanna go out and buy a bunch of lumber. I think I'm gonna try and make this into some kind of a little cabinet piece. Might be a bit ambitious, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. Let's get to work. Yeah. So I didn't measure, I'm not a measurer, and this is what happens when you eyeball. So the doors are way too far apart. There's a huge gap in the middle. I was under the impression that 2 of these were the same width as the back piece, but they're not. Maybe a solution? I have these 2 trim pieces. I think if I put one in the middle, it might be thick enough to fill the gap. Maybe. I still have to figure out what I'm going to do for the top and the bottom, and then some kind of shelves in the middle. So far, I've got the whole piece assembled now. I just have to get the doors on here. I don't know. I didn't know anything starting out with this project at all either, so that's where I'm at. So I did go ahead and fill all my holes with Bondo. Here where I had screw holes and stuff like that. Down on the front, this was where the door latch was. This is where the hinge was. So yeah, I patched up all of those things with Bondo. The paint colors that I'm choosing are inspired by a chair that I saw Quita Allen of All Shabbed Out paint. It was this beautiful blue chair with like white fur, and it kind of did like a faded to lighter white look. And so I'm kind of using that as my inspiration. So I went and bought myself some Blue Iris DIY paint. That's the color she used. These bookends that I recently painted, same kind of deal. I'm thinking that's probably what I'm gonna do with this piece, and with all of the intricate detail work, that's gonna be really fun. Also got some magnet catch latches for the doors. Magnet latches are often my go-to for things like this, because they work and they're easy. Just gotta give yourself a little pat on the back. Did it. I'm proud of you. So now I'm just going to make a little bit of a diluted version of the paint by adding some water, because these boards are really rough and like raw. They absorb a lot of paint, and so because DIY paint is so heavily pigmented, you can dilute it with water. want to cover up this ugly backside. The door that I used to build it out of is really showing at the back. I know the back's going to be up against the wall. I still don't like it, and I don't want any extra thickness, so I'm going to use some fabric to do it.